Hello and welcome to Kabamba Farms. My name is Alexander and today I'm doing a beginner's guide to profitable pig farming in Zambia. This is all coming out of the information that I've learned from this journey of farming, my pig farming. For the last 4 years, we've been raising pigs at Kabamba Farms. We've raised other livestock animals, but in this video, we are specifically talking about pigs. Pigs have become a huge profitable business in our farm, and I want to share the information of what I've learned from this business. I want to share with everybody out there. I know there's a lot of people that have been calling, sending messages, asking about pig farming. So I thought I could do a video. So this is a 15 chapter guide that I've come up together, but I'm going to split it in 2 smaller parts so that at least we can make it more easy to watch and listen to the information, because it's got a lot of information that is quite informative. So I'm splitting out. I'm doing, as the first one, I'm doing a 4 chapter video. Then the next chapter 2, we'll do another small parts until we finish the whole guide of this. So if you're new to this channel, please stick around and let's learn together, share and subscribe. You can also find us on Facebook. You can find us on Instagram and even on TikTok as Kabamba Farms. So let's learn from one another. Kabamba Farms is in the Lufwanyama district. For those of you who've been asking, where is your farm